Here we are at the Starline facility in Reading, UK. 50,000 square foot of manufacturing of tap-offs and Busway. The products we manufacture for our customers are state-of-the-art. All our products that are supplied by our third-party manufacturers are quality checked before they even hit the shop floor. That way we can ensure we provide our customers with the best products possible. We keep a vast amount of stock so that we can ensure, as a business, we can meet the fast lead times required for data center opportunities. Starline as a business not only have this facility in the UK, we have facilities in Singapore and in the US, all duplicating the same high quality standards and manufacturing procedures to ensure that as a business globally we can deploy Starline rapidly and to a very high standard to all our customers.